Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole Dionne, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my 40 and over beauty tips. I will be 41 this coming February 2019. Throughout my adult life, I've taken really good care of my skin, and it's helped because I'm an esthetician and I know how to do it the right way. In my 20s, when my skin was glowing and gorgeous, I'd always hear the excuse, my skin looks great because I'm young. And that's not always the case. If you are in your 20s and you struggle with your skin, you know it doesn't matter if you're young, you can have skin issues. And then of course, as I got more mature, the next excuse I would hear is, well, it's just because you have good genes, which that is not the case either. My mom has eczema, she has discoloration on her skin, she always had trouble with her skin, in and out of the dermatologist and using antibiotic creams and steroids. So that is not the case either. The secret to my skin staying clear, healthy, and vibrant are a few secrets that I'm going to share with you right now. Number one, and we all know this one, and we're probably tired of hearing it, but it's hydration. So drinking a lot of water. But I'm going to throw in an extra hydration tip in there for you that I do twice a day. I drink aloe vera gel. Now, this isn't the banana boat aloe vera gel for after sun. This is the supplement that has a lot of enzymes and good nutrition and hydration factors to it that you'll drink about a little capful morning and night. And I just buy the Sprouts brand, and I buy the gel, not the juice. A bonus tip that you can use with the aloe vera gel is you can apply it on your skin after your beauty routine. Number two, take care of your skin with quality products that are designed for your skin type and skin condition. I want you to keep in mind, I don't want you using 20 different products trying to have the fountain of youth. I use 3-4 products, that is it. And it just depends what my skin's going through at the time. I use a cleanser, toner, moisturizer. I will use a serum if I need it. And of course, I will mask and exfoliate once in a while. That's not an everyday thing. I also don't scrub my skin with washcloths or those rotating facial brushes or a facial sponge. I am very gentle with my skin, and it makes logical sense, at least to me, why I do that. I think of your skin as fabric, okay? And if you continue to rub and scrub, what's it gonna do? If I kept rubbing one spot of my clothes every single day, it's gonna wear down and break down. We want to take care of our skin. It is delicate, it's durable but delicate. We don't wanna keep scrubbing and exfoliating on an everyday basis. That's why when you are using skincare products that have exfoliators on a daily basis, you tend to get dehydrated, dry, and flaky when it's supposed to renew your skin and make your skin look dewy and glowy. That's not the case if you over exfoliate, so you want to minimize how often you exfoliate. Once or twice a week is about it. If you have a dry, sensitive skin, once a week is plenty for you. Tip number 3, manage your stress. Over the past year, I have had a tremendous amount of stress in my life that really affected my skin. And it was the first time that I saw skincare from a different perspective. I've had great skin most of my life, and I have gone through stressful things, but this year specifically was the most traumatic things I've ever gone through. So my skin did react, and I got rosacea on my cheeks, and it was not just any rosacea, it was acne rosacea, which just give you these little bumps all over your face, and my skin looked noticeably terrible. A friend even was like, I've never seen your skin like this, what is going on? And it's stress. Stress can do a lot to your skin. So what can you do to manage stress? Because you're gonna have stress in your life probably, and sometimes personal issues create the most stress. What I have found that has helped me is to meditate. Meditation is so helpful to relax your mind, to help you manage the stress that you have. A guided meditation is very helpful if you don't know how to meditate, because it can be confusing, like, okay, I'm gonna meditate, just sit here and not think of anything. A guided meditation can help you to calm your nerves and feel like you've accomplished something and make you feel absolutely amazing. One of my favorite apps is Meditate Me, and you can get that on iOS or Android. It's an amazing app with a lot of different meditations that you can choose from, and it will make a difference. So when I started noticing that my skin was freaking out, I started doing the meditations. If you can remove the stressors from your life, that's ideal, right? But sometimes we can't, and meditation is the next best bet. Also, reducing your caffeine if possible, drinking more water, and getting exercise. Now, sometimes that's just not possible because your life is crazy busy. You might be juggling a lot of things, especially in your older years. You might be juggling taking care of, elderly parents or a sick spouse, something like that, where you just don't have time. Meditation at bedtime with earphones, no one can make an excuse not to be able to meditate. Give it a try. Number 4 is eat nutritiously. It's really important for skin health that you're healthy from the inside out. So it does make a difference once you eat. Lots of fruits and veggies have the antioxidants and vitamins and minerals that are amazing for your skin. And of course, eating fish, that omega-3 fatty acid is amazing for the skin. And if you happen to be vegetarian or vegan, you can take flaxseed oil and get your omega fatty acids through flaxseed. So you're not excluded from being able to have the yummy, nutritious, good fats that you need for your skin. Number 5, I always recommend that after you do your cleansing routine, we talked about using a little bit of aloe vera as that final hydration boost to your skin. It works fabulous. But in addition to that, wherever you are starting to see your fine lines and wrinkles, using pure coconut oil, the kind that you just get from the food aisle. It doesn't have to be in the beauty aisle or the health food aisle. It's just the area where you go get your oils. Get the virgin coconut oil, and you're going to massage that on your face every night after you do your aloe vera, and you're gonna use that to massage your forehead, around your eyes, and it will really help condition your skin. It doesn't clog your pores, and it will help soften any fine lines and wrinkles. Number 6, let's talk about makeup. So the best makeup I have found to make the skin look radiant and youthful is a BB cream. Fluid and lightweight, that's not gonna settle in your fine lines. I've noticed just with regular foundation, it's a little bit too heavy and it makes the skin look older because it's settling in those lines. Also, skip the powder. Unless I'm gonna be doing a photo shoot or here making a video, I skip the powder in my everyday life because powder tends to also settle in those fine lines, making the skin look so much older. So BB cream or a tinted sunscreen or a tinted moisturizer, that's gonna be a gal over 40's best friend, making your skin look dewy, hydrated, and healthy. Number 7, don't get stuck in aging rules. Don't think about your age. And if you like glittery eyeshadow, you wear glittery eyeshadow. You wear things that make you feel good, because if you feel good, you're gonna feel vibrant and radiant, and you're gonna look fabulous. I feel like if we start following the mold of like, wait, when you're 40, these are the type of clothes you wear. If you're 40, this is the type of haircut you have to have, or this is the type of makeup you have to wear. Well, then you start getting into this aged mold, if that makes sense. But hey, do whatever you want with your hair. Just like I colored mine pink, and I want to wear glittery eyeshadow, and I love it and it looks fabulous, and I don't look aged, so to speak. So be open to experimenting with your makeup and trying new things to keep you young, youthful, and vibrant. And by no means is 40 plus old. Now, if you're 20, if you're 15 watching this video, yes, it seems that way, but honestly, you're gonna be older longer in your life, right? So if you're watching this video and you are younger, take these tips, put them in your back pocket for when you hit around 35, 40 years old. Number 8, I really find that the more peachy colors on the cheekbones really make the skin look youthful and radiant. So give that a try. I love pinky lips, but really I don't want to put you in a box of what kind of colors you can and can't wear, because we just talked about, hey, you wear what makes you feel good. But light blush with a little bit of a peach undertone does make the skin look more youthful and radiant, and having a really pretty pink on the lips also, it just kind of screams like youthful and natural. That doesn't mean you can't wear dark lipstick. I wear dark lipstick. If you look through my Instagram, I have all different types of lipstick on, so don't get into that mold. But if you want a healthy, glowy looking skin that doesn't look like you have a lot of makeup, just go with that BB cream, a little bit of that soft peachy blush, and a little bit of a pink sheer lipstick, and your skin looks absolutely radiant, beautiful, and youthful. And last but not least, embrace your age. I feel like this is really vital. Like if you think old, then you start feeling old, and then you'll start looking old. But if you live your passions, you do things that are fun, that nourish your soul, mind, body, and spirit, and you just look at yourself as a being and not an age, then you will remain healthy mentally and spiritually. You will feel younger. That's what's important, is how you feel. Think of yourself as a being instead of an age. Stay young at heart. Live your passions. Do things that make you laugh and smile. Pick up a dance class. Don't start thinking old. If you start having that mentality, well, I can't do this because I'm this age, or I can't wear that because I'm that age, and then you start having that mentality, that aging mentality, you can feel young, vibrant, and youthful by feeding your mind, body, soul, and spirit with things that nourish you to the core. And don't give in to all of those society messages that you're this age and you should be feeling like crap, because that is just not true. You don't have to feel like crap. If you take care of yourself, you exercise, you eat healthy, you feel vibrant because you're nurturing your passions, you will maintain a mentality of youthfulness. And that's what's important, is what's in here and what's in here. How do you feel? And not chasing that perpetual fountain of youth. I love being 40, and each time I get to see another birthday, I see it as a blessing, because not everybody gets to make it to their 30th, 35th, 40th, 45th, 50th, and so on birthdays. So if you are blessed to still be here at your age, I don't see it as something to cry about, because you get to see your kids get older, grandkids get born, grandkids go off to school, graduate, create families of their own, and that's a blessing. So stay young at heart, stay young in your mind, follow your passions, do what you love, do what makes you the most vibrant, and that will keep you young. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you took a thing or two from this video. Share with me what you found the most helpful here in the comments section. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time.